This will be part 2. Activate voice guide to provide voice guidance for menu volume channel. This is the pop-up on the screen. Activate voice guide for menu volume channel and program information. Voice guide is only supported in English. Yes or no? Let's go for yes for now. Brother wants to hear what Alexis has to say on this 19-inch 1.9 Signia. It's a natural sign with the
Voice guide not available on HDMI, RC and digital output when digital audio format is set to pass-through dock to enable voice guide. Change digital audio format to PCM.
We need to change this square. It says to press OK. We need to change that to OQ. OQ, Alexa. OQ. Change that to OQ. There's been too much OK, O King. Oh, King owes the Q, the Queen, and the children.
Main menu. Voice guide. On. On. Off. Voice. On. Off.
On.
On.
On. Beautiful.
Input source.
Beautiful.
HDMI.
No. Beautiful. Right there.
HDMI 1.
Beautiful. Nice to hear you, Alexa. Nice to hear you. What else they call you? Siri? Cool. We got about 5 different names. Call you whatever. Call you whatever. Wonderful. Brother's feeling good now. Sicily, brother, that is. Here's the drill. Didn't need to drill. It went in the software with the manual. The girl you're all screwdriver. This ain't the manual screwdriver. It's now called the girl you're all screwdriver. Girl you're all. Although there is a electronic spinner right here, though. Spin the wheel. Shall be back. Have to put this back in its sacred spot. Every time it's used, it always goes back in the sacred spot, so it can be remembered. Ah, yes. Nice, nice, nice. Need to get more of that something below decks there. Well, yes, well. Need to move over this way more. Except the ground's uneven now. Fuck that. Go back over to the side. Need a longer screw in order to get down motions here. Otherwise, it's going to have a lot of space and a lot of tree with green leaves up above the head there. At least the tits are on the screen, so that's cool. Need some growing now. Brother needs to go get the 2-inch wood screw. Well, might as well go get it now. Gonna unscrew the wood screw here. It's right there. There it is. It's just a little 1-incher. So this 2-incher gets more angle. Got a lot of latency going on with this little cheap 19-inch insignia. Whole lot of latency. But you know, it's fucking. At least it's something. At least it's something. Nothing worse than the summertime coming around and being out here fucking having to look at a tiny little fucking screen. At least it's something. There. Now the brother enjoys some groin in there. Look at that. Perfect. Tits and groin. Now that's the way it should always be. Gotta see the whole package. Wonderful. We'll just put this screw right here because you never know. It might come in handy next time. Come in handy next time. All right. Well, that ought to be enough for now. Until the next record, get it straight. No, let it curve. No, let it curve, then get it straight. Later.